Hi everyone, it's Jamie here from the Binary Destroyer and welcome to another trading session. If you haven't noticed, I look a little bit brown and that's because I've had 10 days off from trading just to kind of relax, get away from the charts and just get away from the everyday hectic lifestyle people live, well, the hectic lifestyle I'll live. And it's really good to actually just get away and relax and refresh your body and mind. Trading itself, especially if you're a beginner and you're learning the charts, it can be very frustrating and very challenging. And the worst thing you want to be doing in trading is trading with frustration and emotions. So it's good to always clear the mind, get away from the charts and just come back with a fresh new look. Now, I've set myself some new goals, some new challenges. I had my 30th birthday while I was away, so I am now officially a year older. So this is my first trading session of, basically first trading session for 10 days now. So I'm going to flick all of my charts over to the 1 minute time frame. We're going to be trading binary today. I'm always normally a little bit rusty on my first trading session back. So I'm not expecting massive wins. So I don't necessarily need to. But in fact, I might have a real nice setup on. I will have a really nice setup on GPUSD. Funny enough, that just loaded up my charts and all of a sudden in fact I'm going to get into a trade here. Funny enough, every time I load up my charts, I always get a signal. So literally, this is my first day back on the charts. I haven't actually done anything. I've literally just loaded my charts up here. I'm going to head over to the VIP group here and just post my trading session. So if there's any members in the VIP group that are trading right now, we can obviously throw some trades back and forth. And we can see what's what. There's been some really incredible results while I've been away, which you'll probably see now, which this is the VIP group where everyone receives all our training and support. We do have a members area now, but everyone likes to use this to kind of interact with trades, and interact with other members. So wait for that to load. And in fact, AUD USD, I'm going to quickly jump into a 5 minute trade on that. I'm going to quickly, AUD 5 minute trade, investment. I'm going to start off small and I'm going to go for 5 minute expiry now. A little bit risky. Okay, a little bit risky, but I quite like this trade quite a lot. AUD USD. In fact, I'll put this up here like that so you can actually see. I took this trade here. I'm going to get rid of that one-click trading so you can actually see the Binary Destroyer logo there, and here, and here. So first trading session back. In fact, I also like looking at GPUSD. Let me just see who's online. Any results today? Normal BD on binary 2-0 and FOREX 10 pips. Very, very slow today. I decided to only trade with the trend. Some nice results. So yeah, let me just post in here. Who's, when my computer decides it's gonna, who's online trading? Post that in there. When my computer decides to unfreeze. Right, post. Who's online trading? Right, let's go. And then I can now comment on this with my setups. In fact, I'm going to quickly jump on GPUSD. GPUSD has dropped hard, and I'm quickly GPUSD. I'm going to go for. Oh, I've just got a signal arrow. Just got a signal arrow there. Can you see the signal arrow here? Right. I'm going for 5 minute. I'm going for a 10 minute as well. I'm going to stack the hell out of this. I'm going to stack the hell out of this. Okay, right, so AUD USD, what's that saying? Okay, it's just dipped in the money. I had a signal arrow's disappeared. But I'm confident this is going to be a winner. There we go, there's my signal arrow. Almost like I predicted this. How did I know that? How did I know a signal arrow was going to appear? Well, you know, that's just what happens when you sit and trade the binary story for years. Right, okay, so I've entered GP, Great British Pound / USD in for a sell. Why is my computer so slow today? In for a sell. Post. There we go. Might go with that. I'm in. Right, I'm in. And it looks like we're all greens at the minute. GPUSD in for a sell. Okay. Right, we'll go back to the charts. Here's an interesting top tip, right, which you probably did not know. Look at GPUSD, right? Sell signal in the sell zone. You see this? Right? Beautiful. You see that? Nice sell signal in the sell zone. Exactly what I want to be doing. But do you know what? Oh, that's not nice. Look at the 5 minutes, right? Look at the 5 minute charts now, okay? We're also in the sell zone. We're also in this sell zone. So, nice trade, okay? We are, would I say this is a downtrend? Yeah, I'd say this is a downtrend. If you look at the higher time frames, if we go to the 30 minute or 15 minutes, okay? We've just pretty much popped a lower low. Okay, in fact, you could even argue, I mean, I'm not going to say it is, but you could argue if I just bring up a bit of naked price action, let me just bring this up here, FOREX, you can see a nice sort of head and shoulder pattern at this level here. If I just bring this up, this shape here, you can see, let me just see what that trade's saying. Okay, we've got 46 seconds to go. So all these have dipped nicely into the money now. Nicely. Let's just wait for this to come in. So yeah, as you can see, a nice sort of head and shoulders pattern, okay? If you're not sure what head and shoulders pattern in, I won't go into too much detail about it now. But basically, you can see what happens is you'll get a push up like this. That becomes a shoulder. Price pulls back up. You get the head. And then the price pulls back down, creating a lower low, and then we get a lower high, creating the second shoulder. So you can see the shoulder, the head, the shoulder. Okay, and normally this is, hold on, let me just hope for this trade goes into the money. 3, 2, 1, yes, that's a nice winner. So normally what happens here is it's a very clear sign the market is reversing at this level. Now I can also see we also created a lower low. You see how this was our previous low, we've gone lower now. So yeah, okay, so looking at a bit of price action, this is a very, very nice setup. Going back to the binary destroyer now, okay, we can see it more clearly now on the 1 minute time frames because we're in that sell zone. If I go over to the can you see that sell signal now? The sell zone where we want to be taking trades, a sell arrow. We've also got an overbought market on the RSI, and if we go over to the 5 minutes, I can see we are in the sell zone. Okay, so you know, good trade, you know, I'm happy with this. In fact, I'm gonna go over to this. I'm online as well. Nice head and shoulders on the, why is my computer so slow today? In fact, we've got another win. All these are going to come in. And why is my computer so slow today? In fact, I'm going to type this on my phone because it's going to be quicker if I do this on my phone. I put nice head and shoulders nice head and shoulders pattern on GBP USD sold for a 10-minute expiry. Okay, so that one trade won, okay, and we have dipped out of the money on the other trade, okay. Get rid of this. Four minutes to go. Let's hope these win. Let's hope this wins. All right, let's go over to here. Oh, what trade did I miss on Euro USD? I missed a nice setup on Euro USD. Oh, I'm typing this on my phone. So we've got 4 minutes to go. What I'm going to do, everyone, is I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to be back in 4 minutes, and touch wood, or hopefully these are a winner. So I should be back. Hi everyone, so we've got well, just over a minute to go, and hopefully they dip into the money. I'm just interested to see what happens, because you'll find that GBPUSD and EURUSD work in opposites to one another. So I'm just watching what GBPUSD is doing, and we kind of are pushing up at the minute. So we've got a minute to go, and I'm hoping that these drop nicely into the money. EURUSD is gone out of the money, but I'm interested to see what's happening here. I want to see what the 5 minute time frame's saying. Okay, we're definitely overbought on the 5 minute. Where is, well, there's no resistance area here. Let me just have a look. Not really. We're creating higher highs at the minute. This is an uptrend, so I don't want to be trading against the uptrend. No, I do not want to be taking trades there. What is GBPUSD saying? Okay, come on, dip nice into the money. Oh, I hate it when this happens. I don't mind one of these trades losing, but I can't afford to have all three of them losing. So 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, that one is a loss, that one is a winner, and that one is a winner. Okay, so we are still in profit. I'm going to see what EURUSD does. I might be a little bit cheeky, and I might re-enter on GBPUSD. I might re-enter here. So what I'm going to do, everyone, is I'll pause the video, I'm going to be back, and if I get another signal on GBPUSD, I will EURUSD, I will enter that again. So I'll pause the video and I'll be back. Hi everyone, so I think I'm going to take my second lots of trades on EURUSD. In fact, I am. I need to just get in quickly now. Right, 10 minute expiry. Go. Right, okay. So EURUSD, here's another top trick, right? Looking at this screen now, what would you say that is? Uptrend, downtrend? You would say it's an uptrend, okay? But in fact, right, you can argue it's an uptrend because we're above the moving average, we're above the green zone, you know, it's an uptrend. But we're failing to go any higher. If you actually look, okay, I'll pop these here, you can see they've gone nicely into the money now. If I draw an area at the top here, it's almost like we've double topped, okay? So we're not actually going any higher at this very moment here, okay? We haven't created a higher high. We've gone to the same level, okay? So at this same level at the top here, okay? And if you look at the RSI, we've got a nice bit of weak, weakness in the market. You can see the momentum is slowing down. We're creating lower highs in the RSI, and also the fact we've kind of double topped on as well. And the fact we broke below the moving average, we're above. There we go. There's my sell arrow. Again, how do I know my sell arrow is going to appear? It's like magic. So yes, I've gone into a 10-minute expiry. This is my second lots of trades, so I need to go here. I'm at work. What was it? Euro USD, wasn't it? Euro USD, sell again. Let's see what happens here. Okay, so we're in that sell zone. We're now below the moving average. Let's hope the price drops. Always. In fact, I've also got GPUSD has also given me a sell signal as well. Don't quite like this trade though, because the RSI created a higher high. So let me just see what the higher time frame is saying on this. Okay, we're in the sell zone. Interesting. I'm not going to take a trade there because I've got my trades already on Euro USD. The higher time frame is saying we're in the sell zone. Good. So we're in the sell zone. Market's overbought. 15-minute again. Market's overbought. We're in the sell zone. That's good. So 1 minute time frame. Good. The reason why I'm talking to myself, okay, is kind of visualizing my own set of rules in my head. This is exactly how I trade. I always go, right, 15-minute overbought, 5-minute overbought, 1 minute overbought, signal arrow, RSI, below the moving average, boom, get into a trade, 10-minute expiry. So hopefully these all three trades come into the money, and that finishes my trading session for the day. I hope they come into the money, because typically when I'm away for quite a while and I come back and have my first day back on the charts, I lose. So yes, what I'll do, everyone, is I'll pause the video and I'll be back in 5 minutes. So I'll be back. Hi everyone. So yes, just under 30 seconds, well, just over 30 seconds to go, and they are coming nice into the money, as well as GPUSD. Again, I didn't enter that trade because I'd already been on the trade on Euro USD, but you can see that's nice now, and we're now trading below the moving average. So yes, these are going to come nicely into the money, and finally that completes my trading session for today. I think I've been trading for about just over an hour, so not bad. Price is still dropping there, so wait for these to come in like that, and that will complete my trading session. Tomorrow again I will carry it on. I'll do another trading session. I think I'll do some training for you a bit on support and resistance again, because I know a lot of you like those sort of videos when I'm giving out some free training to you. So yes, I will see you all again tomorrow for another trading session. Thank you for watching.